Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to remove an item from your shopping cart on DoorDash. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your web browser and go to the search box and type in doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you are done and you are in the main homepage of DoorDash after logging in, click open your shopping cart icon at the top right hand corner. Now, you will come across the items that you've added on your shopping cart. To delete an item or remove an item from your cart, simply click on the trash icon right next to the item and you will be able to remove or delete an item from your shopping cart on DoorDash. You can repeat the step for any other item you would like to remove from the list, and that's how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.